Welcome to the product tutorials on how to approve timesheets if you are not one of the approvers. I'm now logged into the Replicon instance. In Replicon, if you're not an approver for a particular user's timesheet, you can still go ahead and approve the timesheets. This can be done in three ways. One, if you are a payroll manager. Two, if you are a billing manager. And three, if you are a cost manager. Before we go into how you can approve the timesheets if you're not an approver, let's first look at the necessary permission that needs to be assigned to you if you want to approve these timesheets. As an administrator, go to Permission Sets under Employees and Organization and open any one of the three permissions that I just spoke about. Let's first go ahead and open Billing Manager as available here. Under here, you would see the Billing Manager permission. Ensure that the timesheet says approve. As you can see here, the force approve or reject option is checked. Now let's move over to the next permission, which is of the Payroll Manager. Open the Payroll Manager permission. As you can see here, for timesheets, the force approve or reject option is checked here. Now let's move over to the third and the last permission, which is the Cost Manager permission. Open the Cost Manager permission and in the similar way ensure that for timesheet, force approve or reject is enabled. Once you enable all of this, now let's move over one by one to each permission and see how you can approve a timesheet if you're not an approver. Let's first go to Payroll. Under Payroll, under Timesheets tab, you will have the list of all the timesheets of all the users. Check the timesheet that you would like to approve. And then you would see the options above highlighted. Now click on the Approve button. You will get a message that says you are bypassing the regular approval flow. Are you sure you would want to approve and bypass the regular approval flow? Click OK if you would like to do that, and then mention the comments if any. Once you click on the Approve button, these timesheets would get force approved, as you can see here. Now let's move over and go to the Billing Manager permission. So switch over to the Billing tab. Under Billing, click on Timesheets. And similar to the Payroll view, you would see the list of all the timesheets here for all the users. If you would want to be more specific, you can go to a section which says Waiting for Approval, and you would see the timesheets that are waiting for approval here. Similar to that, just check the timesheet. The buttons would be highlighted, and then click on Approve. Like Payroll Manager, you would get the same message that says that you're bypassing the regular approval flow. Click OK, and then mention an approver comment if you would like to. And click on Approve. This would approve the timesheet. Now let's move over to the third and last permission that allows you to approve the timesheet in spite of you not being an approver. Switch over to the Cost Management tab available here. In a similar way of how you see on Payroll and Billing tab, you would see the list of all the timesheets here. In order to approve, either you can go to Waiting for Approval tab and see which are the timesheets that are waiting for approval. Check the timesheet and click on the Approve button. Say OK for the same message that comes up. Add a comment if you would like to, and then click on the Approve button. This would approve the timesheet. This is how you can approve a particular timesheet if you are not an approver in the approval flow. In case you are one of the approvers, then all that you have to do is go to the Team tab available right here, and you would see timesheets, time offs, and expenses for approval appearing right here. This is how you can approve the timesheets. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now get in touch with Replicon using Replicon Community? In order to access the Replicon community, go to the Replicon website and click on Customer Zone. On the Customer Zone, choose Community and you would be taken to the community page. Now you can sign in or register and start posting your questions, queries, ideas, bugs, issues, and one of our product management team members or one of the Replicon representative will get in touch with you immediately.